Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. RAVEL Survival Guide, 27 tips for surviving a long flight in economy. Stay prepared for long flights with this comprehensive guide. Discover practical tips for packing essentials, dressing comfortably, staying hydrated, and maintaining personal hygiene. Learn techniques to combat fatigue, jet lag, and circulation issues. Ensure a smoother, more comfortable travel experience with these invaluable recommendations. Here are 27 tips for surviving a long flight in economy, in points with longer explanations. 1. Dress comfortably in layers to accommodate temperature changes on the plane, which can fluctuate between too hot and too cold during different phases of the flight. 2. Bring noise-canceling headphones or earplugs to block out the ambient noise from the engine, crying babies, and talkative neighbors, allowing you to sleep or enjoy your entertainment undisturbed. 3. Pack snacks and refillable water bottles to stay hydrated and nourished, as airline meals are often inadequate or not to your taste preferences, and staying hydrated is crucial for combating fatigue and jet lag. 4. Download entertainment, movies, TV shows, books, music, podcasts, on your devices before the flight, as in-flight entertainment options can be limited or outdated, and you may not have reliable access to in-flight Wi-Fi. 5. Bring travel pillows, eye masks, and blankets for comfort, as airlines often provide subpar or no amenities in economy class, making it harder to rest and sleep during the long flight. 6. Stretch and walk around the cabin periodically to improve circulation and avoid deep vein thrombosis, DVT, and other health risks associated with prolonged inactivity during long flights. 7. Wear compression socks to improve circulation and prevent swelling in your legs and feet, which can be a common issue during long flights due to the cramped seating and lack of movement. 8. Avoid alcohol and caffeine that can dehydrate you and disrupt your sleep patterns, making it harder to adjust to the new time zone upon arrival at your destination. 9. Use moisturizers and lip balm to combat the dry air in the cabin, which can cause skin and lip dryness, leading to discomfort and potential health issues during and after the flight. 10. Get up early and tire yourself out before the flight to increase the chances of sleeping on the plane, which can help pass the time and reduce jet lag upon arrival. 11. Bring your medications and travel-sized toiletries to maintain your regular routine and personal hygiene during a long flight, as these items may not be readily available or allowed through security checks. 12. Pack disinfecting wipes to clean your surroundings, including the tray table, armrests, and seat area, which can harbor germs and bacteria from previous passengers. 13. Wear slip-on shoes for easy removal during security checks and for added comfort during the flight, as you may want to take them off and elevate your feet to improve circulation. 14. Check in online and download boarding passes for convenience, avoiding long lines and potential delays at the airport check-in counters. 15. Arrive early at the airport to avoid the stress and chaos of long queues at check-in, security, and boarding, which can add unnecessary fatigue before your long flight. 16. Pack valuable items such as electronics, jewelry, and important documents in your carry-on for safekeeping, as checked luggage can occasionally get lost or mishandled by the airline. 17. Bring a portable charger for your electronic devices to ensure you have enough battery life for entertainment, communication, and other essential functions during the long flight and upon arrival. 18. Pack a pen and notepad for taking notes, journaling, or playing games to pass the time and provide a welcome break from electronic devices during the flight. 19. Wear breathable, loose-fitting clothes for maximum comfort during the long hours spent seated in the confined space of an economy class seat. 20. Consider bringing a travel yoga mat for in-flight exercises and stretching, which can improve circulation and alleviate the discomfort of prolonged sitting. 21. Pack gum or mints to freshen your breath, as the recycled air in the cabin can cause dry mouth and unpleasant odors, especially during long flights with limited access to fresh air. 22. Bring a small towel or handkerchief for freshening up, as the limited amenities in economy class may not provide adequate means for maintaining personal hygiene during the long flight. 23. Wear slip-on shoes for easy removal during security checks and for added comfort during the flight, as you may want to take them off and elevate your feet to improve circulation. 24. Pack a small amount of laundry detergent for emergencies, such as spills or accidents during the flight, allowing you to quickly clean and refresh your clothes. 25. Bring a reusable tote bag for carrying essentials, such as snacks, water bottles, and personal items, which can be easily accessed during the flight without the need to open your carry-on luggage. 26. Consider packing a small inflatable pillow for neck support, as the provided pillows in economy class are often inadequate for maintaining proper neck alignment during sleep or prolonged sitting. Bring a spare change of clothes in case of spills, accidents, or simply for the comfort of having fresh attire upon arrival at your destination after the long flight. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to channel. Thank you for watching.